Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jelly Maturi. If it's your first time here and if it's not, karibu sana. So guys, today I'll be doing a house tour. I recently moved out, so I'm in a new house, but apparently I was so busy to shoot a video for the empty house tour, but I'll definitely do a video for you guys where I'm just showing you how I arranged my stuff from the old house. And as time goes by, I'm gonna be doing like updates where I show you how where I get my new stuff, where I get my new, you'll see. So let's get straight into it and start with the living room. So guys, this is how the front side of my living room looks. I have this banana plant that I got from Home Decor 254 at 9,000 shillings. And I have my TV stand and my TV. And everything looks so similar to the arrangement in the other house, by the way. Ispokuwa I have these plants that I got from Mr. Price Home at 1,000 shillings. This plant here. So on the other side of my TV stand, I have my books. And these books I also got from Home Decor 254 at 1,000 shillings or 900 each. Sikumbuke vizuri. But the candle holder I got for 1,500 shillings. So guys, we have my curtains. These are the same curtains in the other house, Bado. And I thrifted this from Githurai. And this is how they look. On the other side of the wall, I have my wall arts. I had like 6 of them in the other house, but I had to kuzipanga it differently in this house. They looked so clustered here because of this light fixture, but you're gonna see them uko kwa the other rooms. So this is how the house looks. I have my table here and I have a plate that I just place my remotes, guys. So this is how they look. So guys, from the living room we head on to the kitchen, and this is how everything is looking there. So one thing I love about this house is the kitchen countertop, and I love the black color they went for. So let's head on to my cooker, and it's a mica cooker, which is a 6 burner. And then we have my fridge and the microwave. I just placed it on top of the fridge to create more room in the kitchen. So here we just have my spices, and I love them covered here because they have so many colors, and nasikuwa nataka kuona hizo marangi zote huko juu. And then I have these cabinets here. I just put my rice and unga zapo ndani, and mafuta. I have my olive oil there, and on the other side I have my wine glasses and some juice jug. So yeah, even ndo kunaka. And then hapa chini I just have like my plastic cups and plates. And then one thing I love about this house is the sink. Kwa sababu at least before I used to struggle with my sink ku block sana, but at least here I just have like the filter to filter all the food stuff kwa sahani before I clean my dishes. So on this other side I have my other cabinet where I have my plates. So here we just have my balcony. I think it's a medium size. It's not very big, neither is it very small. So we have the tap there, and I also have like a socket. So if you have a washing machine, you can just place it there. So here I just have my sink, and this is where I brush my teeth. And from the sink we just go on to my office on this other side. And one thing you see when you get into the office is this mirror that I had in the other house. Before it was in the bedroom, but I thought it looks better here. And then I have my office chair and my office desk, and how everything is looking here, guys. So let's head on to my curtains, and these are the same curtains I had in the other house. And I also thrifted this while thrifting the others, and I love the texture of these curtains. Sana. It's kind of rough, but in a very good way, and that is how it looks, guys. So on this other corner I have my corner seat, and I also have like my plants here. So I brought this seat from the living room because I thought it looks really nice on this corner, but I'm thinking of redoing some things as time goes by, and I will be posting my journey. So on top here I have my art, and I also had this art in the living room, but Nikas is separate, and I just love how good they look here. So on this other side I have my closet, guys. I have my shoes there, and up and down I just have some of my clothes and my makeup and skincare products. Vitoka Mahizo. Yeah, guys, so from my office let's head on to my bedroom, guys. So before we get to bedroom, I have this art that I have, and it says time to relax. So guys, once you step into my bedroom, you'll see my bed, and I just love the pillows that I have here that I got from Smart Lady Home. And the next thing you see are these two bottles that I DIY'd, and these plants that I got from Home Decor 254, guys. Then I still have my art here, the same art I had in the living room in the other house, and I just brought it into the bedroom. So we have my bed. I told you guys I bought these duvet covers from Kamukunji, and the next thing you just see is my closet, guys. So I've just like placed some of my bags here and my glasses, and I think as time goes by I'm gonna find a way to like arrange my closet in another way, but for now this is the look we're going for. So guys, on the other side of my bedroom, I have my bathroom stroke my washroom, and although it's very small, I feel like it's serving the purpose, guys, and I really like it. So we just have this shelf that I can store some stuff here. So I'm gonna like rearrange stuff here as time goes by, and I'll be showing you the journey. So guys, we've reached the end of my video. I hope you loved watching it, and stay tuned for my next videos because I'll be doing like update videos where I'll be doing changes in the house and showing you how I arrange everything. So guys, if you like this content, don't forget to like, share and comment down below. So stay tuned, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.